Hey! What is up? Welcome back to
Asap Chilla!
And we are just so lucky right now na kasama po natin as guest co-host
ang
stars ng, of course, Vince, Kath, and James. We've got Ronnie Alonte. We got Julia Barreto and Joshua Garcia.
Yun! Hello! Asap Chilla!
Hello!
Yan, at syempre ang guest natin ngayon, ang ating stars of the day, ang Baylona.
Is it Baylona or Baylona?
Baylona.
Baylona. Okay, now we get
Yan. Kamusta na kayong dalawa? Sobrang namiss naman namin kayo sa
Kamusta kayo? Kayo na ba? Wow, ang bilis.
Joke lang. Mamaya okay. Ikaw din. Subukan.
You never know what could happen in the future.
Prepare siya sa tanong.
You're young pa. Enjoy it muna, each other's company, ganon. What have you guys been doing?
Ang dami nilang endorsements. Nakita ko. Congratulations. Super busy nyo.
Thank you.
Ano pang may album?
My album's out. My name is Elena Garcia, and you can buy it everywhere. Pati rin yung sayo.
Akala ko nag-introduce siya sa sarili niya. Di pala yung title ng album.
Album ko yun. Alam mo, speaking of, because now we're on ASAP Chill Out, we just want to congratulate you guys for being nominated sa ating ASAP Pop Teen Choice. Congratulations. Do you guys know that you are singing our theme song? Oy, for Vince, James, and Kat! Yes!
Ay!
Oh my God!
Gusto niyo sample? Sige na, sample!
Okay.
What song?
Nakakabaliw.
You're singing the song. Puso ko'y sumasayaw.
Yo,
Isip di mapakali, ngiti ay laging nasa labi.
Kayo chorus.
Go!
Nakakaba.
Go, Julia.
Ano patapusin mo sa kanya?
Julia.
Ikaw, Jules.
Nakakakilig. Hindi bagay sa akin. Nakakahinig. Ito na.
Ayan. Eto, what can you say? English, Julia.
No. What can you guys say to your fans who have supported you through everything? Nga pala. What is your message?
Ilang years na kayo magka-love team?
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5.
1.5. Ang dami nang nangyari.
Actually, so we're very grateful for that, and we're very grateful for our fans, our fans, because we wouldn't be getting as much as opportunities as we have now if we didn't have them by our side.
Yeah.
Bailey,
Yeah, just maraming salamat po at mahal ko kayo. We love you guys, you know.
Oh, we love you too. We love you too. Anong plano niyo sa Christmas?
I'm not sure yet. Kasi my parents, no one's telling me anything. Nothing.
Away ba kayo?
Hindi po. I keep asking them. I asked them, what are we doing for Christmas? They're not answering. Siguro surprise.
Wala kayong Christmas tradition? Like, iba kasi sa bahay lang. Ganun.
Last year, where did you go? Did you head back home to Australia?
Yeah. And then I celebrated it with my cousins.
And you? Are you going back to the UK? Alam na.
Ay! Andito ang Maha Salvador. Billy, saan ka mag-Christmas?
Sa Cebu po.
Cebu!
Cebu.
Ayan, mag-hi ka sa Cebu. Yung gusto ko yung hindi ko pa kita narinig.
Gusto ko
yung ka mag-Bisaya. Marunong ka, di ba?
Gamay lang.
Sige, mag-hi ka in Bisaya.
Hello. Hi, Cebu.
Bisaya. Bisaya. Oo.
Ambot sa imo.
Ambot sa imo, day.
Ambot sa imo, day. Buwang ka, day.
Ayan. Ito, i-plug
Miss Maha Salvador, yes?
I-plug
She's
yung
like my
album
guys,
mo.
everybody ASAP Chill. This is like my mama bear here.
Ay,
Mama Bear?
Mama bear.
Isalin niyo naman kami.
No, but, diba?
Isalin niyo
may
naman
ganon
kami.
tawag.
Isali. Sige,
Di ba,
Ronnie, may
ito
question
na
ka. May question ka para sa Bilo na
Na-experience yun na ba magpasko dito sa Pinas? O na niya?
You guys experienced Christmas here?
Yes. Yeah.
Talaga?
Say, how
Hindi
was it?
last year, pero I did in 2013.
Kamusta?
Translate mo sa amin yan.
Masaya po. It's very fun kasi.
How was it? Sabi ni Ronnie, how was it?
Ano?
Say it nga.
Kamusta? Kamusta yung Pasko din sa
Nosebleed.
In English, please. Di ko naiintindihan eh.
Joshua, tulungan mo ako dito.
Eto!
Ma?
I don't understand.
Ano yung mga may Christmas traditions ba kayo?
No.
Or ano yung gusto niyong tradition ng Pinoy?
Yan,
na-experience
nyo.
Na-experience mo na. Like you. Have you experienced Christmas here in the Philippines?
Noong 10 taon.
When you were 10 years old?
Well, 2 years ago, 10 years ago, when I was 4.
Okay.
I can't remember. Kalimutan ko.
Yun yung last Christmas mo dito.
Yeah.
Kaya wala ka rin maalala. That's very good.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Kayo, ano yung Christmas traditions nyo sa Pasko?
Kayo,
Kayo ba?
ikaw, ano ba sa'yo, Joshua?
Kasi yun, di ba, usually yung 9 mornings, mga ganyan. Simbang gabi.
Try natin kung nagsasalita si Joshua. Try lang natin.
Go!
Joshua, ano bang Christmas tradition mo? Try lang natin May voice ka ba?
Simbang gabi.
Simbang gabi. Nakukumpleto mo?
Hindi.
Sige, no?
Simbang tabi yung ginagawa.
Simbang gabi.
Naniniwala
Di
ba
ba sabi nila pag makumpleto mo yung 9 mornings, may wish ka?
Ayun, ninasasabihin ko eh.
Yes, may wish ka. Mag-start siya December 16, tama?
Sige, we should do
Mag-end
that.
ng 24. Mag-wish ka, matutupad daw. Pag makumpleto mo.
Tara.
Oo.
Ikaw, nung nakumpleto mo ba yung simbang gabi dati?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi ako.
Sayang, dapat kinukumpleto mo para humiling ka.
Ha? Aguinaldo, ganyan. Dito din kayo mag-Christmas? Saan kayo? Anong plano niyo sa
Siyempre
Christmas?
kasama namin
Mapupromo.
yung Sans. Ay, oo.
Si Julia, dapat mag-aano sila Julia eh. Dapat mag-States kayo, di ba?
Dapat may pupuntahan kami
dapat
on Christmas
may
Day. Pero syempre, dahil nakapasok kami, dito na muna kami sa Philippines. Tapos kaming tatlo, yung fans makakasama kaming tatlo on Christmas Day.
Yo.
So that should be fun.
Sabay-sabay tayo manood ng Vince, Cat, and James. Ha?
Yes. Tagalog kasi.
Ano?
Ayan, before you go, ito, may pwede kayo mag-sample sa mga album nyo.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung pag-ibig, buuin nila. Maganda yun eh.
Sige, may request si Ronnie.
Oo, yung
I
pag-ibig.
forgot the lyrics.
I think Bailey also has his own album. Is there any song that you want everybody to hear? Kasi I mean, like,
sample.
yung pag-ibig na, di ba we hear that a lot? So, ano yung gusto niyo sa album niyo na sana, regularly rin nagpe-play? As much as pag-ibig.
I've got one from my album. My name is Alana Garcia.
Okay,
Hindi nga. Joke lang. Okay, go.
Oh, people already know that song. Pero there's this other one called Not Your Bay. So
Not Your Babe.
yeah.
So,
Gotta be straight up with you. I know you know what I'm gonna say, but you gotta face the truth. And you can wait any other day, baby. You keep on calling out. You got sorting around. Can't keep this up. I cannot keep this up no more. Cause I'm not your babe. I'm not your babe. I'm not your babe.
Galing.
I'm not your Very good.
Julia!
Very good. Very
Julia,
good,
ano
baby
yan?
girl. Thank you.
Ako rin eh. From my album, my name is Julia Barreto.
Wow. Na-produce na? May lyrics na?
Dreams ko lang. Oh, Bailey, ikaw.
Bailey naman, si Bailey.
Mine's from, mine's my first single, my album.
Can you give us a sample?
It's
Pwede
called
ba?
Gusto Kita.
Gusto kita. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Dedication. Dedicated to?
To?
Everyone.
Anong ngiti? Parang alam niyang it's for her. Go, sample. Awkward na eh. Sample ka na.
Kita, alam mo ba? Gusto kita, okay lang ba? Ngunit tayo ay bata pa, kaya friends lang muna. Gusto kita, okay lang ba?
Wow.
Ang
Matanda
cute
ka
nyo, alam mo.
na.
Magaling yung love
14 pa lang
team.
ako.
Magaling yung love team
14
kasi
plus
both
6.
kayo magaling kumanta. No? Silang love team
Salamat
magaling
po,
kumanta.
salamat po.
We're great.
Oo. Tapos may album pa silang
Match
dalawa.
talaga eh, no?
Sana next time magka-album kayo, kayong dalawa talaga. 10 songs,
Dapat
original.
mag-collaboration sila na parang Christmas album.
Oo. Yan.
Yung music mo parang paano, Hollywood. I'm not today. Wow.
Ito na, i-invite niyo ang inyong mga fans na i-vote kayo sa ating Asa Pop Teen Choice.
Please vote for us, po. Because,
As a Pop Teen.
Yeah, ASAP Pop Teen Awards, Choice Awards 2016. Please vote for us. We love you guys so much.
Next week is the awarding.
Yes, next
Right?
week now.
Next week?
So
Next
please
week na.
vote. Go on your phones, go everywhere on the internet.
Yes.
Basta, just do the best
Next
you
visit
can.
nila dito, dapat may challenge tayo. Kailangan turuan nila tayo ng accents nila.
No, iba-iba, no?
No, I don't. No.
Eto, invite mo sila sa album. May album kayong dalawa.
Yeah, guys, if you want to get my album, it's called Bailey. In on sale in all record bars nationwide for $1.99. Thank you. Salamat po.
Alright guys, and for me, my album is My Name is Alona Garcia, and it's available basically everywhere online and in all record stores. So make sure you grab a copy para masaya.
Yay! Thank you so much, Bailona. Thank you. God bless. Ayan. Eto guys, next